I drove 3.5 hours out to my cabinet. I brought the new Rippa R32-4, the brand new model, all the way out here. So I could do a walk around and review video for you, and you can see what this thing looks like up close and personal, and I can get a little bit of seat time in a machine that seems really cool. Problem is, I forgot my microphone. So I'm going to do the best I can with what I've got. We're going to see how this works, but this might be my first voiceover video. Let me get this thing unloaded. I'm gonna go take this out and do something with it. Why don't we start by trying to pick up some logs? Yeah, that sounds cool. So first off, I do really like this machine. It is not cold out, but it sure is getting hot in here, so I'm glad it's got air conditioning. This 2-speed's a nice touch. So just over here, I just hit the rabbit mode from the turtle mode. Use the foot pedals, and I'm just cruising along. But I need to put it back to turtle to turn. Back to rabbit. Let's give it some RPM. whole different world than a one-ton. This is not what I'm used to at all. And this thing's awesome. I can't wait to get out and get some real jobs done with this. This is cool. I opened it up a little bit to Turtle Creek. Now this is really flowing. Yeah, that was easy. Little scoop, they don't care. Let me show you what we did. So there was a drought a couple years ago, and Carrie came out here with some Portland, some sand, some gravel, and then took some of this river rock and she made a waterfall. So when the water's flowing, we have a waterfall, and it's awesome. Right now the creek's just chilling. Our swim hole's here, but the creek's not really flowing. I mean, just a little bit. It's kind of just trickling over there, but I just made a big, huge waterfall. So here's something interesting about this R32. So my cabin deck is 15 feet off the ground, and well, I raised the shale level a little bit, so I guess it's a little bit less than that, but it's pretty high. Look how high that bucket is. Yeah, it's pretty wicked. So I'm gonna park it under here when we leave. I'm gonna get the 480 out of here. I'm taking that home. Look at that. That's huge. Like, wow. Maybe I'll put it down. Dude, it's big. I like it.